Astrology time, Shane here, daily-astrocat.com. Today's Thursday, it's the 25th. Hi, everybody, welcome. The moon's going to be in Scorpio all day long, and it's a kind of focused moon, right? We've got one aspect today, and that's the moon will be in a trine with Jupiter. So, Jupiter, where we gather stuff, right? Where we go, right? Where we grow, where we go to do these things. And the moon in Scorpio, right? This deepens the intrigue, doesn't it? It's going to be focused and intense. The shift that we can feel, the energetic shift, is amazing. Honestly is. Ask the right question. Dazzled, amazed. Do whatever it is you have to do. Once you're in the flow, I've had a lot of people writing to me about this stuff. You will immediately make some proper choices, okay? Just when you're flowing. You'd have to be flowing, though. You have to be going with it, right? You have to be in some sort of energetic exchange, whether that's with somebody else or a significant other or with the universe in general. That's what you got to be doing, right? The obstacles, they're always going to be there, right? They just are. The attitude that we're due something, I deserve this because it's so far from the truth. Do not do anything. Ask. You foresee an obstacle? Ask. How are you going to get around it? We're all approaching another vibrational level. Align your two paths, okay? Align them by asking. Ask for them to be aligned. Today's keyword is exactly that, asking. The color for today is a cardinal's colors. The bird, not the cleric, okay? Balance and poise, yes. In the face of Saturnian challenge, all the time, right, is bolstered today. The charm of this season is enhanced by doing some very strenuous personal work. Put in the work, right? The chance of big returns today, tomorrow, is off the charts, right? We have opportunities that are facing us. This power, this Mars Scorpio power, isn't without resistance, however. Asking for support from your larger crowd is one way to begin to overcome complications to something that should be very easy on its face. Now is the time to be engaging, disciplined, and future-focused. Actions taken today and tomorrow promise a brighter future and manifest any new moon intentions that we may have set, right? Empathy and understanding will go far. Oh, Pisces stuff, right? Not always for Pisces season, right? It works here. Why? Because we're heading into that next eclipse cycle. It's going to take place in Pisces, right? We get to anticipate what's coming by utilizing some of the strengths of where we're heading towards. That's an important point. Accepting responsibility and proactively asking for help will also go far. Not doing the work will stop your train on the tracks. Keep it moving. The scarlet color of today is not a red flag. It's not for you to stop. Halt? No, not at all. Keep it moving. It's your bandana fluttering in the wind or your cape outstretched behind you. Speaking of capes, in that vein, avoid sharp wooden objects. Work deep into the night and always ask for permission. Now, our event is in 1738. The Scottish philosopher David Hume enters into a contract to publish the first 2 volumes of his seminal work, A Treatise of Human Nature, with John Noon in London. And our birth is in 1970. It's one Lynn Gurkis. She's better known as Sherry Moon Zombie. She's an American horror actress, The Devil's Rejects and Halloween. She's born in San Jose, California. She's the wife of Rob Zombie. And that's all we have for you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for coming by. I appreciate and love every single one of you. We kept this brief because that's how it has to be. Power, right? Asking your permission to have it be brief. There we go. Appreciate and love every single one of you. Keep on doing the nice things, right? Share these things save these things for later. Share them. Like them. Do all that nice stuff, right? Today is a 7. Oh, looking much better than we did right at the beginning of the equinox, right? Yes, we are. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Happy astrocatting.